How to withdraw money from Tonkeeper. So step one, you need to open Tonkeeper and then launch the Tonkeeper application on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the correct wallet. Step 2, go to send. On the home screen, tap the send button. This is where you can send your TON or other tokens to an exchange or wallet. So you have to basically paste the address of the TON here from, let's just say, Binance. Now, get your exchange or cash out address. So, to withdraw to bank or cash, you will need to use a crypto exchange that supports TON like Binance, OKX, Bybit. So, I'm going to use Binance this time. I'm going to open my Binance and then I have to look for the deposit option. So, open Binance, log into your Binance account right here. And then this time, you have to look for deposit. And under deposit, search for TON. Click TON. Okay, search ton first, tap on ton, and then here you have to copy the ton wallet address, add a memo, tag if required. So copy this one right here and then paste the address in Tonkeeper. So go back to Tonkeeper, paste the exchange deposit address. If the exchange gave you a memo tag, enter it correctly. This is important to avoid losing your funds. Step 5, enter the amount and confirm. So type the amount of ton you want to send. Double check the address memo tag, tap send, and confirm the transaction. Now it's time to sell TON for your local currency. So once a TON arrives in your exchange account, go to sell or trade. Sell TON for USDT, then sell USDT for your local currency. And for example, I'm going to tap on trade right here and then search for TON USDT. So sell TON for USDT, then sell USDT for your local currency. Once you have your USDT, then you can withdraw to your bank account, GCash or other cash methods supported by the exchange. So since tutorial is all about withdraw money from Tonkeeper, then basically this is the one of the procedures and methods in order for you to do that. Pro tips, always send a small test amount first to make sure the address and memo are correct. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.